my trail riders, all my saddleback clubs, riding clubs. This right here is for you. This is a new land dance, y'all. Now work that middle. Oh yeah, I'm good right here. Now move it on up. Now move it on back. You can turn it up, huh? Now turn around with me, y'all.
Rodney's back. Back it down, turn that music down. They started to distort just a little bit.
For the trail riders, we got the pump, got the party going. The middle does in the back, got the moonshine flowing. You form, the whole back with the Tennessee. I hope like this. I hope the rapper went. What you know about that? How about that? How you love that? It's a trail ride show. You know it's on good. Now have it on that, have it on that. Now work that beautiful thing on. Now do it like that. Now move it on up. Now move it on back. You looking good in the
Picture, you got that dance with me?
You got your waist like a
I got a new dance I'm gonna teach you.
Hell no.
I got a new dance I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna teach y'all. Y'all gonna have to get on the dance with me.
Hey, Rico, come here.
I definitely need a hot mic because the way this started to them,
Yeah, all right. You got to be able to work and see at the same time, bro. You know, I just started back walking.
St. Louis repping, baby. St. Louis repping. St. Louis repping. What's up, fellas? St. Louis, what's happening, fellas?
What's up, baby?
We repping, baby. All right. Is that mic hot, baby? It's backdoor Jody. You ready, baby?
Ready.
That's right. That's right. All right. When I'm throwing out my part. Rodney, you ready?
Do it like a boss.
So y'all can go back and forth. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You know what order you want to go in? You joint. You joint first.
Hold on, you right.
That's Rodney, man. That's another one of our brothers. What's happening? Say what's up to St. Louis.
I'm trying to get out there.
You gonna do our thing. All right. Rico, you can say what's up to St. Louis.
What's up, St. Louis?
That's right.
About to kick up a little dust.
What we gonna make it do?
Make it do it coming in hot, baby. Coming in hot. Do what it do.
Backdoor Jody. Tell him what you gonna do. Say what's up, St. Louis.
What's going on, St. Louis?
Well, yeah, that's Backdoor Jody, baby.
I'm ready to make it happen.
That's right. Don't let the dreads fool you.
Real soon.
Say hi, St. Louis.
What's up, St. Louis? It's your girl, Miss Candy Rain, making them drip, drop, drip, drop.
Oh Lord, they coming in hot.
Coming in
They're
hot.
coming in hot.
Have some for these
Now guess who this is? Say hi to St. Louis. Miss Florissant.
St. Louis.
Ex-Florissant. She used to live in Florissant.
I did.
This Miss Connie Moe, y'all.
This Miss Connie Mo.
Miss
Me.
Connie Moe.
Connie Mo.
Miss
Z.
Connie Moe. All right, you know the St. Louis crew, guys. Say what's up to St. Louis. We came down to represent, baby.
Distinguished Entertainment Group, Mighty TC, DJ Spider-Man.
We hit Tracy. Say hi to St. Louis.
Hi to St. Louis. Hi to St. Louis.
Say hi to St. Louis. How y'all doing? All right, guys. So you know we got number love out here. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, I left my baseball cap over here. Say what's up to St. Louis, dog. We in sound check right now.
St. Louis, we're in Dallas, baby. It's going down.
It's going down, baby.
It's going down.
Tell them when we bring to St. Louis.
Oh, man.
It's gonna be on and popping.
It's going to be on.
That's right. Big Mooch, can I get you have you say hi to St. Louis?
St. Louis, what's happening? Y'all already know what it is. Big Mucci, baby.
I guess we about to leave, guys. So we got to come back and get ready to perform. With that being said, let's go chill out. Back to the hotel it is. And Dallas has been fun. I'll be here until Monday. We got the video shoot tomorrow. Today is Miss Cookie's birthday. Actual celebration. We went out to dinner last night. Big Dog, say what's up to St. Louis.
What's up, St. Louis?
Yeah, that's Mr. Louisiana himself, baby. There's my man right there, video man plus artist. Say what's up to St. Louis, baby. Come talk to him. Tell him who you are.
Mr. Nelson, baby.
Tell him, hey, DJ Fuji finna start playing all your hammers.
Hey, let's do it, man.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, baby.
St. Louis, baby.
That's how we do.
Already.
It's called family, guys. So guess what, guys? I get back with y'all later. Peace. Deuces.